right, good morning, Mrs. Scott here. Wanted to just run through your grade book or your course here real quick and just show what would need completed still. So here was the checklist from 9/14 that first week, and you've done a good job checking. So down here, here's the two things that still need completed. So first half of Unit 1, second half of Unit 1. And then you started on Unit 2 with the entire class. So you could go back to your class home, you could go to the plan, and you could get to what you need from there. If you look at the month view, so you have it set up just to show chemistry. So you could see right there was the lessons and videos for the first half of Unit 1, and it'll link you right to that. And then here was the second half of Unit 1, and then on the next week you went ahead and you started with the class on the beginning of Unit 2. So if you go to your content, I'll just show you, and you can click right there too, and that'll link you. But I'll show you in the content where you're going to get what you need. So right here is the first half of Unit 1, so it's called Cohorts 1.01 to 1.09 lessons. So what you'll do is you'll click on this. So you're going to skim through those, all the first part of Unit 1, and then here's the worksheet that you're going to use. And we use Google a lot. So notice here, when it opens up, you have to save it. So you have to save it as a Word document. So you do File, Download As, and a Word document. So you're going to save this worksheet. You're going to go through, you're going to answer the questions from the lessons. If you need to go online, you'll do that. And so then once you get done with it, since you're doing it all in one foul swoop, you'll do that. And then you're going to watch the video, which is right here, make corrections. If you have any questions, you'll post that in the Dropbox. And then that is what you're submitting. So you're submitting this corrected worksheet, any questions that you have, and then you have a keyword that is in the video that you'll put in the comment section in the Dropbox. And the Dropbox is located right here. So it's located right within that module. Okay, so save the file. Complete it, watch the video, make any corrections, jot down any questions, submit your worksheet to this Dropbox along with the keyword that's in the video, and the keyword will go in the comment section, and it says that right there. So that will give you 20 out of 20 for that first half of Unit 1. The second half of Unit 1, right down here, you're going to do the remediation part. So there's a worksheet. There's a packet, I call them remediation packets. So you're going to first watch this video because it'll describe how you're going to do the remediation packets. Click on the packet, open it up, save it just like you were before. Here's some helpful videos and websites for practice. And then here you're going to submit it to this. Actually, I made a new Dropbox for you guys. So you can submit it right to there for your points. And then you can watch the CC also if you'd like for the test review. So that will get you caught up with the whole first Unit 1 material that you need to do. So now if we go to the Dropbox, you'll see some of these things you're excused on because of the start date, but we don't have a good way of putting comments in right now a lot of times. So you'll notice I updated your chemistry completion grades on those tests. So when they were due, I went through and put in zeros because they weren't completed, and then you got them completed at the end of the week. And just as a note, when things are late, we will eventually start late points, but not right now. I go through and I grade stuff, and then the late work gets graded later because I have to go back through. So just keep that in mind. So right here is this first half of the Unit 1 worksheet that we went over that you need to submit. Right here's the second half worksheet. And then you started with Unit 2. So done the quizzes, good. Did the learning check, good. So for this for Unit 2, you actually need to submit that worksheet and you were supposed to do the problems and solutions guides also. If you didn't do those, email me and let me know. I can excuse those for this part of the unit. That's fine with me, but I want you to make sure you've done that worksheet, and then also then you need to take the test, the Unit 2 test, the mid-test. So once you get caught up with those things, your grade book will look much better. And then today we are starting 2.11. So you want to make sure that you're starting the 2.11. So if you have questions, go ahead and email me and let me know, and we'll work through them. Thanks.